What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel where today we are testing out this 65-inch Sony A90J OLED with the Xbox Series X. Now before we actually get into some gameplay, let's just take a look at what this TV can do when hooked up to the Xbox Series X. So if we go to the 4K TV details, then we can see here it does say your TV supports 4K UHD at 120Hz. Your TV setup supports up to native 4K at 120 frames per second. But then sadly, just there, it does say your TV setup doesn't support Dolby Vision for gaming. Now I've just gone to the TV settings and I'm going to change the HDMI signal format to enhanced format, in brackets Dolby Vision, and we go back then to those 4K TV details. And there we can see it now does say your TV supports Dolby Vision for gaming up to 4K 60. But now it's changed up the top. It says your TV setup doesn't support 4K UHD at 120Hz. Right, let's crack on then. And I just want to start off by saying a big thanks to the guys at box.co.uk for kindly sending over this Sony A90J OLED for me to test out. Now, it's normally at this point in the video that I'll turn around and tell you about all the benefits of buying a TV from Box, which there are many. But it's not just TVs that they sell. They sell a whole host of other electrical items. Now, something that may interest a lot of my viewers is that Box are really into their gaming PCs. So if you want one fully built, then go check them out. Or if you want to build one up yourself, again, go check them out. They've got all the components there. And yeah, you can fill your boots because they've always got some great deals on, and I know they have at the moment on a couple of great PCs, and I'm even looking at getting one on the channel. So yeah, please go and check out their link in the description and you'll be supporting the channel at the same time. So thanks a lot to Box. Right, getting on with the game then, and today I thought we'd try something a little bit different. So we are playing, was it Back 4 Blood? And yeah, normally we play the usual suspects, so Call of Duty, Battlefield, that sort of thing. But you know, not everyone plays those sort of games, and yeah, we thought try something a little bit different. And yeah, first impressions, once again, very, very good indeed. Looks absolutely stunning, as you would imagine on a TV like this. Yeah, I mean, that does look really, really good. You know, I've got to hand it to this TV. Visually, it's right up there. It's got to be one of the best, if not the best, when it comes to the visuals. Very nice indeed. Now, we have already tested this TV out with the PlayStation 5, so I'll leave a link to that in the description. And again, it looked amazing on that. I'm not going to get into an argument about what's better, the Xbox Series X, the PlayStation 5. I own them both. I ain't getting into all that fanboy stuff. And just to hit up on a point, is that when I mentioned on my last video about a few sort of drawbacks with this TV, I did notice a few people getting a bit defensive, especially people who own this TV, seem to be sort of almost taking it personally. At the end of the day, I'm an open and honest person. I'm going to say what I feel. If you're offended by that, well, then I am very sorry. I'm not here to blow smoke up the arse of a TV. You know, if you want to be bum-licked about your purchase, then there's establishments that you can go to for that sort of service, but that is not here. Now, once again, one thing that I am noticing with this game is the motion is very, very good indeed. Again, I've got to hand it to this TV. Motion is very good. And again, another point, the processing. It is really on point. You can see that this has got a decent processor compared to other TVs. Not as much sort of banding going on. Just looks a nice, clean image. Whether you think that's worth the paying the price for or not, that is, you know, entirely up to you. I don't know how deep some people's pockets, but just bear in mind, you know, you will be paying a premium to get this sort of quality. But you know, you've got to pay to play at the end of the day, and you sure will be getting a great experience with this TV. Now, again, a couple of things worth mentioning. So, as I just sort of showed, going backwards and forwards in the menus does seem a little bit of a faff if you want to choose Dolby Vision gaming or 120. If anyone out there has got this TV and knows a way of doing both. I couldn't find it, so from what I can see, you've got to go back and forth to change it, whether that will be changed in an update, you know, possibly. Also, HDMIs, there are 4 on this. 2 of those are capable of 4K 120. Again, now that's entirely down to you if you think that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm not going to get drawn into that sort of argument again. And finally, I don't believe there is any variable refresh rate on this TV. Once again, I've done all the updates. It's not coming up on the TV, or should I say the Xbox, and it does support it. So again, unless anyone knows any different to me, I can't see that there is any variable refresh rate support. So again, something that you may want to take into account. Some people aren't bothered by things like that, some people may be. So just hopping into the settings quickly, and as we can see there, it is greyed out for anything else bar the game mode, so we are locked out in that at the moment. And we are on max brightness, and let's have a look. Picture settings. Yeah, so this game does support HDR, so what you are seeing is a nice HDR picture. Well, actually, no, you're not, because I'm not recording it in HDR. I'm seeing it, so I'm lying about that. Someone did suggest that I should maybe look at recording my videos in HDR. Please let me know in the comment section if that is something that you'd like to see me do. It's a bit more in depth because it takes a lot longer for those videos to process on YouTube. But if it's something that you guys think you benefit from, let me know, and you know, maybe I will do that for some future videos. Now, one thing that I do keep being asked is, what is better, this Sony A90J or either the LG C1 OLED or the LG G1 OLED? Well, I have got an LG G1 OLED myself, so I will test these TVs side by side if you wish. And if that's what you want me to do, let me know in the comment section, and please let me know what game on what console you'd like to see me test out, or would you like me to test out both consoles and maybe a few games? Just let me know what you want me to do and I will do it. Now, just heading back to the subject of the picture, because I'm sure that's what most people will want to know about. And I got my son involved with playing on the console and this TV last night, and he's helping me out at this moment in time. And there was one thing that he noticed straight away. Now, he's no expert on TVs, but what was it you said that you really enjoyed about this TV?
I enjoyed the brightness.
Brightness, there you go. I didn't tell him anything about this TV, and he actually piped up himself and said, wow, it's really bright, and you know, he thought it really improved the picture. Would you say that's fair? Yeah, so you know, there you go. That's something completely impartial from me, so no one can say I'm being biased one way or the other. Like I said, he doesn't know one TV from another, and he sat down and straight away his reaction was, you know, wow, that's really bright. So if you are looking for a bright OLED for gaming, then maybe this is the TV for you. So we're going to wrap it up there then, guys, and once again just want to say a big thanks to box.co.uk, and if you've enjoyed this video and you appreciate my honesty, please give me a thumbs up, and if you've not already subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.